Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are preparing Turkish bread and yes, it's vegan. So if you are new here, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for future recipe notifications. Let's get started. We will start with activating the yeast. Add 1 tablespoon of vegan sugar to lukewarm water. Mix till the sugar dissolves. Sugar and warm water will work as a fodder to get the yeast activated easily. And then add 2 teaspoons of yeast and let this rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's start with the dough preparation. To a bowl, add 500 grams of all-purpose flour. You can replace this with gluten-free all-purpose flour or with whole wheat flour as well. 1 teaspoon of salt, 75 grams of soy milk or any plant-based milk of your choice, activated yeast water. The water was around 75 grams, 3 teaspoons of olive oil, and mix everything till it's well combined. You can always choose to omit the oil in the recipe. I additionally added around 66 grams of water to make the dough. Turkish bread doesn't require a lot of kneading, so try to roll it or knead a little till it's one big round dough. Place it on a flatter surface and it will help you further to give it a good shape. I am pulling it lightly from the top and tucking it inside. And the dough for Turkish bread is ready. Now to the same bowl, drizzle some olive oil and brush it throughout the bowl. This step is performed so when the dough doubles in size, it doesn't stick to the bowl. Place the dough in the bowl and rotate it in the olive oil and cover it with plastic film or towel and let it rest for 1 hour to rise. If possible, place the dough in a warm place which will further help the dough to rise better. After 1 hour, the dough has almost doubled in size and is super soft. Then place the dough on a flatter surface and divide it roughly into equal parts. I am dividing the dough into 6 equal parts. Doesn't that look like a heart? Take one of the dough piece and start to pull it from top and tuck it towards the bottom. The dough at this point should be soft and stretchy, so it will be easier for you to perform this action. Post which you can roll it on a flatter surface or in between your palms. Now we'll start rolling the dough balls out, but before that ensure that you cover the ones you're not working with so they don't dry out. Add some dry flour on the dough ball and gently press it to make it flat. I'm trying to cover the dough in the dry flour so it's easier for me to roll without it getting stuck to the surface or to the rolling pin. You can use a rolling pin to roll them out or even a bottle at home. Don't roll them out too thin as the texture and the thickness of Turkish bread is on the thicker side. At the same time, while cooking, if the dough is too thin, it will not turn out soft but instead will stretch and get crispy. And I'm sure you don't want a crispy Turkish bread. Heat the pan on high and once it's hot, place the bread on it and let it cook for a minute. Then rotate it slightly when you see these bubbles. It means it's cooked on the other side and ready to be flipped. I'm using this kitchen towel to press it down gently so it's cooked from all the sides, and rotate it slowly as it will help in the equal distribution of heat. Use a tongue to flip the Turkish bread. I'm used to preparing these and comfortable using my hand, but please don't try it as you can burn your hand in this process. Flip it and cook till you get these beautiful golden patches. I heated the pan at high heat and while cooking switched it to medium-high heat. Never cook them at low heat as they won't rise properly. Next we are going to season the Turkish bread. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, 2 teaspoons of paprika, some finely chopped cilantro and mint leaves, and then mix everything till it's well combined. The smell of these herbs infusing with olive oil is on another level. Then apply the mixture on top of the Turkish bread. This mixture gives this beautiful flavor to the Turkish bread. Spread it nicely on top of the bread. And that's it guys. The vegan Turkish bread is ready. And look at that. It's so soft and spongy and those lovely pockets. You can always prepare these without oil, totally doable. I love to pair these with some Indian curries or chutneys. I will add the recipe for the black beans curry and the peanut chutney or dip in the description section. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel Foodotomic for easy vegan recipes. You can check out the written recipe of the Turkish bread on my website foodotomic.com. All the equipment and ingredients are listed in the description section of the video. And if you're looking out for easy vegan curry recipes to go with this delicious Turkish bread, check out this playlist right here. So that's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting mouth-watering vegan recipe. Until then, bye.